Hello everybody. The last video we made, I alluded to the fact that we were planning this big trip, and now I'm going to let you guys know where we're going, and it's been a trip that I've been wanting to take since I went the last time in 2021. We're going to go back to Arizona, and this time Emily's going to go with me, so she's going to be able to see. We're going to go to some places that I've been before, but we're going to make a stop in San Antonio along the way, and I haven't really been there, so looking forward to seeing the Riverwalk and the Alamo and that sort of thing, and we're going to go visit Carlsbad Caverns at some point. It might be on the way back. The weather is preventing us. We were going to stay at Davis Mountain State Park in West Texas, and I had to cancel that reservation because it's going to be like in the teens. In fact, it's going to be in the single digits for lows on our way, so I had to cut out that. We're going to try to get into Arizona as quick as we can now, and we're going to make, I know, one stop in Tucson for 2 or 3 days, and then we're going to go to Quartzsite for 2 or 3 days, and after that, I don't know. I'm not sure what we're going to do after that. One of the places I really want to see is Superstition Mountain. That's just on the other side of Phoenix, so I'm hoping maybe we can go stay there. And looking forward to going back to Lake Havasu and taking my brother to the desert bar in Quartzsite, in Parker, Arizona. But the one thing I did, made a major change to our trailer, is I took out those big heavy steps that actually were dented because of an 18-wheeler. So these they're a little shaky getting in and out, but I like them better. They're lighter, and also too, don't make any messes like the other steps did, and don't have any lights on or anything like that. The power's been shut off for a while. I had to put some caulking around this sink because I was getting some water leakage. You get over here and it's a little bit warped where water had gotten into it. So I fixed it now. We're not going to have any problem. We got our clothes hung up. We're going to bring some more stuff in the trailer here the next day. And we're just making our preparations. Looking forward to it. I am so stoked that we're about to leave. I have been looking forward to this for months, since the day we decided we were going to do it. But there you have it. Anybody else going to Quartzsite? Look me up. I haven't decided which where we're going to stay. Probably Skadden Wash, where I stayed before, or Plumosa Road. One of those two, I think. I think we're gonna. It's either one of those two places. I've heard really good things about Plumosa Road, so we may just do that. But we're all set. Gonna leave first thing Thursday morning. Ooh, the sun. And we're going to hopefully be there. We're probably going to be in Quartzsite probably the 25th or the 26th. I want to get there before the tent event is closed down. So that's what we're going to do.